what exactly is an autonomous car? Because I'm not really sure. Do
Sure.
you drive it or stop it, or how involved is the driver?
Well, it's interesting because we now have legislation that defines what an autonomous vehicle is. Our North Carolina legislature has passed a statute regarding the use of autonomous vehicles. This statute goes into effect December 1st, 2017. That's this year. So
Wow.
an autonomous vehicle is a vehicle that's capable of controlling every aspect of vehicle dynamics on the roadway. So it can do everything. Now,
Wow.
the statute that goes into effect has some specific criteria. It has to be able to handle all dynamics of driving. It has to remain on the scene and call for help in the case of an accident or something like that. So it's got a definition of a number of things it can do. But basically, an autonomous vehicle under the statute has to be able to do everything all by itself. That's
incredible.
Back to my friend George Jetson. So, yeah, the North Carolina legislature has passed this statute. So we are now regulated in our use of autonomous vehicles.
That's amazing. And now, when is that going to go into effect? And what kind of cars are we going to have to buy to enable that?
Well, the statute goes into effect December 1st of 2017. However, currently there are no vehicles in existence that completely meet that criteria. So again, this is an unusual situation where we have legislation that covers an issue that we don't know when it's going to happen.
Boy, that's for sure.
But at least we're covered when it does happen. But it is interesting, and as we know, Amazon.com is they're testing different ways to deliver faster and more efficiently. Rider share services like Uber and Lyft are experimenting with ways to have autonomous vehicles deliver people. We have Google and Apple, we hear reports that they're all working on autonomous vehicles. So even though our legislatures may have gotten a little ahead of themselves and are a little futuristic, it probably is on the horizon somewhere.